Hello everyone. Welcome to UPSC Explainer 101. Today, we'll explore Nazism and the rise of Hitler from Class 9 NCERT History Chapter 3. Let's dive in. Elucidate the socio-political circumstances in Germany post-World War I that contributed to the rise of the Nazi Party. Answer: Weimar Republic's vulnerabilities. Established post-World War I, it was Germany's first democracy. Faced numerous challenges from both left and right-wing extremists. Economic hardships made the democratic government appear weak to the masses. Treaty of Versailles impact. Harsh conditions imposed on Germany, high reparations, loss of territories, and military restrictions led to widespread resentment and was viewed as a diktat or dictated peace. Economic crisis. The Great Depression severely impacted Germany's economy. High unemployment and inflation rates led to widespread discontent. Detail the core tenets of Nazi ideology and how they influenced German society. Answer: racial hierarchy. Nazis believed in the superiority of the Aryan race. Non-Aryans, especially Jews, were considered inferior and were persecuted. Lebensraum or living space. Hitler believed Germans needed more space to live and grow. Aimed at Eastern Europe and Russia for territorial expansion. Cult of Aryan supremacy. Emphasized racial purity and denounced interracial relationships. Policies were implemented to encourage the birth of racially pure Aryan children. Discuss the strategies and tactics the Nazi Party employed to consolidate its power in Germany. Answer: propaganda and mass mobilization. Used media, rallies, and symbols to project the image of a powerful, unified Germany. Hitler, as a charismatic leader, was projected as a messiah for the German people. Suppressing dissent. Opposition parties were banned. Dissenters and critics were arrested, sent to concentration camps, or killed. Centralization of power. Enabling Act, 1933, gave Hitler the power to sideline parliament and rule by decree. Illustrate the impact of Nazi ideologies on the youth and women of Germany. Answer: youth. Aimed at indoctrinating them with Nazi ideologies from a young age, schools and Nazi youth organizations played a significant role. Women, portrayed as bearers of the Aryan race and were encouraged to be mothers, discouraged from taking up employment and were instead incentivized to produce more children. Reflect on the global implications and consequences of Nazi atrocities and expansionist policies. Answer: foreign policy and expansion. Annexation of territories and aggressive foreign policies led to geopolitical tensions, directly contributed to the outbreak of World War II. Holocaust and war crimes. Systematic genocide resulted in the death of 6 million Jews and millions of others, led to the establishment of international laws against genocide and crimes against humanity. Prelims MCQs. Who was Hjalmar Schacht's responsibility in Nazi Germany? A. Propaganda Minister. B. Head of the Army. C. Responsible for economic recovery. D. Chief of Gestapo. Answer: C. Responsible for economic recovery. Which pact was signed in 1940 between Germany, Italy, and Japan? A. Versailles Treaty. B. Tripartite Pact. C. Nazi-Soviet Pact. D. Munich Agreement. Answer: B. Tripartite Pact. What event triggered the US's entry into the Second World War? A. Invasion of Poland by Germany. B. The fall of Berlin. C. Bombing of the US base at Pearl Harbor. D. The Battle of Stalingrad. Answer: C. Bombing of the US base at Pearl Harbor. Which event was marked by the German mark's massive devaluation during 1923? A. The Great Depression. B. Hyperinflation. C. Wall Street crash. D. Ruhr crisis. Answer: B. Hyperinflation. Which city became the experimental ground for Hitler's expansionist dreams? A. Berlin. B. Vienna. C. Munich. D. Poland. Answer: D. Poland. What was the key belief of Hitler's ideology? A. Global peace and harmony. B. The creation of a pure Aryan race. C. Economic equality for all. D. Diplomatic alliances. Answer: B. The creation of a pure Aryan race. Who was primarily responsible for introducing the Dawes Plan to help Germany out of its economic crisis? A. England. B. Soviet Union. C. USA. D. France. Answer: Circa USA. Thanks for watching.